Like I started earning when I just had 1500 followers.
So basically what we hoped was also the case, and you've also confirmed it, that you don't need an insane amount of following.
No,
You just need
definitely
good content.
Yes.
And that good content can go viral.
not. Yes,
And
definitely.
then it'll help your followers also grow.
Yes, definitely.
Guys, I'm super excited. Finally got Shweta, one of our top creators, to come down from Delhi to Bombay to spend some time with us. And like we're just here to chat. How did you discover this whole affiliate space? Like how, like, you know, your content creator karna, reels post karna, earnings. How did you start? How did you discover it? And you know, when did it start?
Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for having me here. Like honestly, I really wanted to meet you all. And how it all started was I was into corporate, and then I really wanted to do something apart from job. So I started making normal videos like office jati thi, so I used to do a get ready with me video. Then I saw a lot of content creators who were doing affiliate marketing. Like they used to post a haul videos. So I was like, okay, I can try. Let's try. Try करने में कुछ नहीं जा रहा. So
But at that point, you had how many followers?
I just had 900 followers.
900 followers. So you
Yeah.
started with 900 followers.
Yes, I started with nothing.
Nothing.
Almost.
And your followers were probably only like friends, family.
Friends, family, yes. And they
That's
don't support, to be honest. Like when you're just starting, they just make fun of you. They don't support
Yeah, yeah.
you that much.
I agree with that because I mean recently when we've been seeing posting more and more on the Layla
Yeah,
Instagram handle, and my family and all like, what are you doing? What are you doing? So I understand this comes from every creator. You were saying, how did you start? So you just from work and then started to do little haul videos.
Yeah, so I experimented with my niche. Like it was fashion. I used to make get ready with me video. So I made my first niche haul, like tops under rupees 500, and it went viral. Then I had an idea, okay, I can start doing it professionally, and that is how it all began.
Wow. So you just did couple of videos and one or two went viral, and then you were like, okay, I can.
But
try
it took
this.
a while. Like it took, I think, 1 month or 2 months to get into that.
You've been on Layla. First of all, guys, she's been with us on Layla for over a year now.
Yes.
And thank you for trusting our platform for so long. When I think 1 year ago we were absolutely nowhere to where we are today. It was really small. We had hardly any creators. You know, the app also, you can say, was very basic. It was
Yes, I have
laggy.
seen all of your faces.
Yeah, a lot of
Everything.
crashes, a lot of bugs, a lot
Yeah.
of issues, I guess. But that's what
Yeah.
every app has. But yeah, thank you for sticking around. So you've been with us, you know, for over a year now. So how has your which is the best month, and like how much money could you potentially make, or did you make in your best month ever?
Like it was last year, I earned pretty well, and it was around
7 lakhs.
Yes, that was my total commission without returns, but that was the total
Seven?
commission I earned. Yes.
7 lakhs.
And I was shocked too. Like I never knew that I would earn something like that amount.
And that was more than what you made in your
Yes,
corporate
like-
or anything. Yeah.
forget
Corporate,
like
yeah. 7 lakhs a
totally.
month. I mean, this is,
It was
yeah.
huge.
And so now there's no corporate happening, or you still
No,
work?
I quit my job
Wow.
2 years before.
So when we built Layla, like we always thought, oh, you know, we can get creators to become full-time creators and make full-time money through this. But like this is an actual living example of how
Yes.
someone like actually was doing a full-time job at a corporate, you know, slogging your way. Obviously,
Seriously,
you have to
it was
leave.
difficult.
You have to leave home, travel. I guess. You know.
It was a lot of like hard work what I put into my like corporate job, and it was a bit easier, not that easier too, but thoda sa usse better tha when I started making videos, because that was something I was doing which
For
I
your
loved,
own, yeah.
which I loved.
This
So-
I think is very important. Like
Yes,
for
very
all
important.
creators, like if you love what you're doing, it's a simple thing. And now, so yeah, I wanted to ask you, what does your day-to-day look like as a creator?
Okay, so I have this freedom of working like whenever I want. Even if I'm not feeling well, I can take a day off. So it's more like I go to my classes, like fitness class, and then
Amazing. So no asking your boss for any permission, leave.
I'm
this.
happy about that.
Yeah, yeah. You can also
But
wake
the
up
manager,
anytime.
yes, but the
Yeah.
manager do calls me during my session, which is of course her work.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry to her because I never able to pick her call. Baki, I especially shoot in daylight, so I wait for the
Best
around
time.
2 to 4 to shoot a lot of my videos. So yes, and
So other creators who are watching this, take this pro tip.
yes,
Shoot your videos between 2 to 4 p.m.
because
when
that's the
light is
best time to have the daylight. Yeah.
So you shoot your videos, then so you go for workout class, you shoot some videos, then you start shopping for some content, or how does it like?
You're gonna
How do you
find
plan?
It,
How do you
you're
plan?
gonna find it funnier because I mostly shop in night between 1 a.m. to 3 a.m.
1 to 3.
Because that's the time when my mind works.
Sometimes when I'm awake beyond 1, I'm like, oh my god, like I must be the only person awake in the world right
Most
now.
of my orders are in like at 3 o'clock in the morning.
That's insane. But in the night you do your research on what
Research,
products
yes.
and how do you choose which product you think people will buy and
I
you know?
think since starting, I would say like about me that I have stayed authentic.
Hmm.
I never copied like me. I may have somehow, but mostly I don't copy anyone. I mostly like do a research properly like what will I like so that people when they buy तो उनको पता होता है कि मतलब
Yeah.
हाँ क्या चीज़ different है so that they are gonna buy and which creates sales.
So you started off with 900 followers on Instagram. Today, how many followers do you have?
I have 1,87,000 followers.
1 lakh followers. Wow. And this is over a period of 2 years.
Yeah.
Wow. That's it. And any strategies and tips on how you need to grow your followers or just keep making good content अपने आप ही हो जाएगा?
I think सबसे ज़्यादा important है engaging with your audience. I think most people don't understand that like कि आप जितना ज़्यादा अपने audience से engage करोगे, जितना उनको जानोगे personal level पे, they will stick to you.
But how do you engage with them? How do you get to know them?
You have to talk to them. Like you have to make out some time to talk to them, like personally or go live. I used to
You
go
used
live.
to do lives.
Yes, lot of times in a week. So
What
this
about
is
those
how.
questions, polls, and all? You
I
used
do
to
that. Yes, I still do that. It's
Okay.
very important. for
So
me.
like yeah, I think this is a really good tip for anybody. Like just choose your products properly and
Yes.
stay authentic to your content. These are a couple of things which I'm also learning because I'm usually on the other side. But we speak to creators and we understand. And obviously, I mean, if you're earning 7 lakhs in a month, these are some basic tips I think that Shweta's like letting out on some secrets. So yeah, Leila's not perfect. So as a founder, I'm always looking to improve and make things better. Is there like any areas or anything in particular you would want us to improve as an on the app with your manager with anything in Leila, any more brands you like to work with, just wanted some feedback on
Yeah,
how we can
brands
improve.
I already recommended you. Few
Mm.
are there. Baki, I think there's one tool that will be very helpful for the new creators. I would say is that if they can find the right product for the niche.
Okay.
That will be very helpful.
So like
Because
an
काफी
AI kind of thing that will tell you
Yes.
ये product को use करो.
this is performing well for you. Like if somebody is into fashion or somebody is into skincare, so it will be easier for them कि उनको एक recommendation मिल जाएगी.
So like a personalized recommendation.
Yes, I think that.
So that'll analyze all your past reels and then
Yes.
tell you, okay, fine, based on this is a good point actually.
Yeah.
If some scanner or something can go through your past content, see, okay, and then go map it with the best selling Myntra, Meesho products and then give it to you. That's actually a good point. Oh yeah, so for that, there are a lot of creators or people out there probably watching this video and are like, how is she making so much money? How is this happening? So can you explain to them basically affiliate marketing kya hai? Leila pe, what do you do? How do you start your journey? And Leila, etc. Leila hi basically kya hai?
Basically, I know a lot of you people shop, right? You shop from Myntra, you shop from Amazon, a lot of other platforms. So if you want to earn through that, then there is a platform called Leila where you can just put on your video. You can get a commission link, like you can get an affiliate link, which will help you to earn from the video that you just posted. So this is the easiest way I can explain.
So you like this top, you want your followers to also shop this top because the more they shop it, the more money you will make. So you take the link from Myntra, you put it onto the Layla app,
Yeah.
and then you copy paste that. The Layla app will convert that link for you. You put that link that the Layla app generates on your Instagram, and that's it.
Yeah.
Is it actually like?
Actually,
that
and it
simple.
may sound difficult, but it's very very easy. Trust me, कुछ भी नहीं है.
Yeah.
बहुत easy है to earn money.
And you're
through
chilling at
affiliate
home.
marketing. Yes.
You know, you're sitting at home.
Sometimes imagine. Sometimes I just shot a video. I'm sitting in a very beautiful cafe. I just posted my video. I just posted a link and
हो
that's
गया,
it.
पैसा मिल
I'm
गया.
on.
That's it.
I know बहुत confusing लगता है, but it's very very easy.
Yeah.
बहुत easy है.
No, I
And
hope.
also वो link चीनी वाला जो है
Feature.
it's amazing.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes, I was fighting with my manager. She said you have to post 6 years. Like that be too much. Spam हो जाएगा page पे.
No, but and is there one more thing? Lot of creators say that if they post more, so the sales increase. So is posting more like a trick to increasing sales?
Personally, I don't believe that. I think quality matters. I've
Quality
seen a lot
matters.
of content creators who post a good product, but their quality is not that good.
But you still need to be regular. Like
you
can't
have to
just
be
go,
consistent. You
like,
cannot
can't
just
go
spam the
lost
page.
and-
Yeah.
But you also can't go inactive for 5
Of
days
course.
and all. Like, so how often do you actually get down to posting?
I post on alternate days.
Every alternate day. Okay.
Before I used to post
So at
every day.
least, so when you're starting off, you
You have
posted
to
like
be there.
almost 30 reels a month.
Yes.
Then when you reach a certain amount, you can do once every 2 days.
Yeah.
Obviously, everyone has mishaps and situations.
True.
So what's the most, and you can take some time, the most embarrassing thing that's happened to you in the last 2 years as a content creator?
Embarrassing thing. Okay. It's not embarrassing, but I think that comes into my mind when I say it. So there was one video that I posted when I reached 50,000 followers. So it was like a motivational video through which I actually started my content creation journey, and it was my after breakup thing.
Okay.
So that video went viral.
So what did
And
you say? Like you're happy after?
No, I
breakup?
just posted a normal movements picture, like movements video.
So what is that? Sorry.
It was just like me crying and getting motivated, joining gym and then starting my career and reaching 50k milestone. So it was inspiring for me, but people found it like थोड़ा funny. So they like कुछ गलत way में viral हो गई थी. So that was
Also,
embarrassing.
you tried to make it like a motivational thing for you.
Yes.
But you never thought that it'll
I
just.
never thought. I was just sitting
That
near
you
my
didn't
dad.
think you'd go viral for being a
Yes.
breakup girl. Basically.
It just went a million views in just single night, and it reached now. I think it has reached 15 million views, and
So
it was,
whoever's on our content team, just take note. If we need to reach videos of 1 million views, someone in our team needs to have a breakup and post a whole video about how they've become the next big thing.
like that is something. It's a one night fame. It doesn't stay.
It
long.
doesn't stay long.
Yeah.
But then consistently you made good content and
Yeah, that was
So you
the
didn't try
only-
any more breakup
no,
tactics again?
no way.
There are many competitors of us out there, right? There are many partners trying to win over creators and trying to be the best affiliate marketing solution for influencers. So why have you chosen to be only with Layla, and what makes Layla better than all the rest out there? You don't have to name why, what, who, but you can just tell us, so as a founder, what are we doing right?
Here I'll be a little selfish. You're obviously giving the highest commission, which
Okay,
made us stick to
okay.
it.
That's making us bleed, but yeah, sure.
But yes, that was in the starting. That was the motivation we got, and we wanted to join Layla as soon as possible. And but throughout my time, what I feel has been like different try or platforms से तो ये था कि team support.
Teams.
You are very open to new ideas. You heard us. Like as a content creator, mostly platforms they don't want to even see the content creator side, but you did, which made me stick to this कि हाँ मेरे को एक अच्छा vibe energy मिल रही है, relation मिल रहा है, so I want to stick to this space.
No, and 100%. I think, see, things are always changing and new things are always coming up. So,
Yeah.
as us, I think one thing that we will always promise to do is, listen to our creators, because at the end of the day, like, we're building this for you guys. And
it's
tomorrow, if
very
you
important.
leave, like, what are we gonna do? So,
Yes.
we will always, make it a point to, anytime there's feedback or anything. I know, like, so today, all the creators, your livelihood basically rests on 2 platforms, Instagram and YouTube, at least in India. in the worst case scenario, don't wanna, you know, freak you out, but like if these two platforms shut down for whatever reason, if there's a ban on Instagram and YouTube and they have to shut down, what would you do? Like, what would be your backup plan?
I'll get married. Because I don't know what to do. So good.
That's a solution for everything. Literally nowadays, at this age, everything is going.
I can't start.
I can't think
start.
again now. I can't go back 2 years and build
Seriously,
this.
I just don't want to go back to my corporate things. I just pray that it never happens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, there's always talk about brand collabs and like brand collabs giving creators multiple opportunities where you just get paid and you just have to deliver the video. Doesn't matter if it gets 1 sale or 10 sales or it's just an awareness video or whatever. So what do you think, like the perks of having brand collabs? What are the negatives? You know, what is your stance on this whole situation?
I always see the long-term relation with a brand. I don't want to just do it for money, like 8-time career, 1-time offer, and never go for it. I always think what is the bigger picture. क्या है collab and how it's affecting my audience, like मेरे audience के लिए what is perfect. So I go along with that.
Okay, perfect. So it's not just someone splashes a big number and you just take it. It's more like
Because
Which is
like I hardly do skincare brands. If you've seen my
Yeah.
page, I never do it because मेरे को पता है what I'm not using. How will I recommend anybody else?
So basically, you only recommend whether brand collab or affiliate, whatever you like.
Yes, and if
Whatever.
you see my page, mostly सारे मेरे को मतलब which clothes I love, you will see on my page.
Yeah.
So it's I think it has
Okay,
to be.
fine. Yeah, that's awesome. So, you know, like everyone has this misconception that only creators who have like 100K followers or, you know, 1 million followers and all can make good money and through Leela and affiliate. But like, did you see otherwise? Like when you had lesser followers also, did you make good money? Like, is there any cutoff in your mind that you think only itna followers hone par you learn, or like it was different?
I think lot of affiliate apps have made it easier for people to earn at a very short following list. Like I started earning when I just had 1,500 followers. So if you have, like if you're making a good videos, good content, then you can definitely.
So there's
earn
no
very
like.
well.
So basically, what we hoped was also the case, and you've also confirmed it, that you don't need an insane amount of following.
No,
You just
definitely
need
not.
good content,
Yes.
and that good content can go viral,
Yes, definitely.
and then it'll help your followers also grow.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, awesome. So you said you're earning like 2 to 3 lakhs in a month. You know, that's your commissions. That's the money you take home as a content creator. So this 2 to 3 lakhs. How is it like broken down? Like where are all the different ways as a content creator you're earning this 2 to 3 lakhs?
I think 90% of my earning is through affiliate marketing only.
Wow.
And Leela is the app that I use for all of my commission.
Wow, so you use 90% of all your money that you make is because of affiliate earnings. So you're not reliant on any brand collabs.
No.
You're not reliant on any other deals from anyone following, nothing. You just
If
have
it
to.
comes, well and good. If it doesn't, it doesn't really affect my earning through.
So this is like what I mean. It's kind of like financial independence, right? You're not
Oh,
dependent on, like, you're not worried about your job firing you. You're not worried about anything. Like you're in total control of your life and your earnings.
definitely.
Just you could be on a holiday anywhere and your earnings don't stop.
In fact, like lot of things that I have done for myself and for my family was only because of the earnings that I got through Leela.
Like what all other things?
I bought my first gold ring for my dad,
Oh,
which was the
wow.
special
Awesome.
moment. I
Yeah.
take my mom on a lot of vacations. She never been to a lot of places. And then recently I bought my first phone, like which I'm
Oh.
using now.
Wow.
So yeah.
So, like honestly, I think there's no better feeling for me as a
No.
founder. Also, like you know, like it's just so rewarding to know that all the effort that we're putting in for so many hours every day, and for my team, is actually physically and actually impacting the lives of so many people. and
Definitely, I
changing
would
your
say
quality
that.
of life. You
Definitely.
know, making your family and you happier in many ways. So, no, this is really like thank you for sharing. I know it's a lot of information and stuff, personal information, but it really is touching for all of us at Leela. So yeah, perfect.
And
Thank you.
there's one thing I will share with you all. Like I never thought I will be here where I am today. But if I can do, trust me, anyone can do. Like I was
Yeah.
going to 9 to 5, but I'm here today. So trust me, if you're watching this,
Just
it's
get on
possible.
it. Get on,
Yes.
Leela. Not because I'm saying it.